Informal letter writing. Welcome to my channel I. Enhance your English. Informal letter. In today's video, I am going to teach you the most important topic in English, that is informal letter writing. Before I start the topic, let me introduce you the list of things we are going to learn in informal letter. So, without wasting the time, let's get into the topic. First of all, we are going to learn what is an informal letter. Number 2, formats of an informal letter. Number 3, important points in an informal letter. Number 4, drafted example of an informal letter, CBSE pattern. Number 5 and the last one, drafted example of an informal letter, AP state pattern. What is an informal letter? An informal letter is a letter written for personal communication in an emotional or casual tone without any prescribed format. Informal letters are written to close acquaintances, friends, family members such as parents, siblings, and relatives, etc. Formats of an informal letter. In today's class, we are going to discuss the formats of an informal letter based on CBSE pattern and AP state pattern. Let us start with the CBSE pattern. In the CBSE pattern of informal letter, you have to write down the sender's address at the left hand side top corner. You can start with your door number, followed by area name, followed by station. After you write down the sender's address, you have to go to the next component, that is date. Remember, there should be some extra space between the station and the date. And the date should be written in this way, in this format. Day followed by month followed by year. After you finish writing the date, you have to write down the salutation. The salutation here is dear followed by name. Remember, you should write the name of your friend and the starting letter should be a capital letter. After you write the salutation, you have to go to the body of the letter. There is no hard and fast rule in an informal letter to divide the body into 3 paragraphs. However, you can write the introduction, main content, and conclusion. What do you write in the introduction part? You have to write down the main purpose of writing the letter. Why do you want to write the letter? That should be the introductory part. And all the required information should be in the main content. Whatever you want to tell, whatever you want to elaborate, you can elaborate in the main content. And conclusion means you have to summarize the total information. You have to conclude the letter, and after you finish the body of the letter, you can go with the subscription, that is yours lovingly. Remember, Y should be a capital letter and L should be a small letter. And there should be no apostrophe after R. You should not write any apostrophe after R. After you finish the words yours lovingly or yours affectionately, you can go with the signature and end your letter. Followed by the receiver's address, means address on the envelope. You can write in this way. Now let us see the informal letter based on AP state pattern. In the informal letter, you have to write down the sender's address at the right hand side top corner in the same way. Right hand side top corner. You can write with door number followed by area name followed by station. And there should be some extra space, and the next component, that is the date, should be written here. You can see here that there are some punctuation marks at the end of the sender's address. In the AP state pattern, you can write the punctuation marks. There is no hard and fast rule. You can write, or you may also avoid these punctuation marks. After you write down the date, you can go with the salutation, that is dear plus name. Once again I repeat, name should be written with a capital letter, followed by body of the letter. The body of the letter should be written in this way: introduction part, main content, and conclusion. So all the purpose of writing of the letter should be mentioned in the introductory part. All the required information should be mentioned in the main content, and the summarization of the information should be in the conclusion. After you write the body of the letter, you can go with the subscription yours lovingly or yours affectionately, followed by the signature and followed by address on the envelope. Important points in an informal letter. Let us see what are the important points should be kept in mind while writing an informal letter. Language should be informal and simple. The next one, you can use n number of contractions. Contractions means instead of writing I have, you can use the contraction I apostrophe VE. I will, I apostrophe LL. And you can also use number of idioms according to the need. You can also use exclamations, and you can use phrasal verbs. The letter should be friendly and warm. Here warm means the letter should be very affectionate. Sentences should be concise and simple. Emotional or casual tone should be used according to the context. You have to prefer active voice. You can involve the reader by conveying the enthusiasm you feel. You can joke about or refer to personal matters. You can inquire, seek information, or ask for advice. Remember, there are no restrictions for using paragraphs. You can write the total paragraph in total letter in one paragraph, or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. However, there should be some introductory part, main content part, and conclusion part. The letter should end with yours lovingly or yours affectionately, etc. Remember, Y should be a capital letter and L should be a small letter, and there should be no apostrophe after R. There should be no apostrophe after R. And there is no need of a box. Drafted informal letter based on CBSE pattern. While writing an informal letter based on CBSE pattern, you have to write down the sender's address at the left hand side top corner. You can write with door number followed by area name followed by station. Here is an example of the sender's address. Door number 738 12 by B, Gandhinagar, Raigada. After you write down the sender's address, you have to go with the date. Here you have to remember there should be some extra space between the station and the date. And the date should be in this format. 2nd August followed by year. 2nd August followed by year. And you can write the next component, that is the salutation. Dear Ashish. Remember, the name's first letter should be a capital letter. Here Ashish should be a capital letter. A should be a capital letter. Followed by the body of the informal letter. As we know, we can write in n number of paragraphs, or you can write in single paragraph. However, there should be some introductory part, main content, and conclusion part in the body of the letter. Now let me read the body of the letter for you. It has been a while since I have heard from you. Where have you been? I am very sorry to hear that you were asked to stay at home. No work, no pay. And you have started a new fruit business for your survival. It is devastating to hear that a person in the most noble profession, which is widely respected in the society, doing these type of jobs. Teachers build the pillars of a nation. Most of the teachers select teaching profession just for the satisfaction they get out of sending hundreds of successful students who go on to bring fame to themselves, their parents, and the nation. But the teachers who perform such a demanding task are not rewarded duly. Compared to people in other jobs, teachers are paid meager salaries which keep away the dreams of the highly qualified. Quality education has to be provided to the students as a foundation for the future of the students, and the need for well qualified teachers is obvious. To attract highly qualified people to teaching, teachers should be offered reasonably good salaries. But in these types of pandemic situations, terminating the teachers or giving 30 or 50% of salary is really devastating. The government ought not to ignore this delicate concept so that responsible and able citizens are produced to earnestly serve their motherland. Anyhow, don't worry. I will try to help you in whatever way I can. Be confident. Don't lose hope. Everything will be fine. If God closes a window, He opens a door. Take care and convey my regards to your family. Yours lovingly, Danny. Followed by the receiver's address. Drafted informal letter based on AP state pattern. In the informal letter based on AP state pattern, you have to write down the sender's address at the right hand side top corner. You can start with door number followed by area name followed by station. After you write down the station, you can go with the next component, that is the date. Remember, there should be some extra space between the station and the date, and the date should be in this format. After you write down the date, you can go with the next component, that is the salutation. Dear plus name of the receiver. The receiver here is Ravi. And remember, the starting letter of the name should be a capital letter. Now let me read the letter for you. Door number 567 by 12, Retang Colony, Khurda Road. 2nd August, followed by year. Dear Ravi, love and greetings to you in the name of the Almighty. I am fine and I hope this letter finds you in a good health and cheer. It has been a very long time since I received a letter from you. In this letter, I would like to describe you an anguish incident which caught my eye as I was one of the witnesses. I have visited a village in AP where a herd of elephants entered a village and trampled two farmers to death in North Andhra Pradesh. It was heart-rending to look at the dead bodies of the farmers. The natural habitat of these animals are being encroached by human beings, and whenever the animals feel insecure or lack of food, enter the nearby villages and create these type of disasters. So, proper steps to be taken to separate man from animals and animals from man. The places where the animals feel insecure should be set up as reserves. They shouldn't allow the people to encroach these places. Moreover, there should be proper protection and sufficient funds should be released to maintain these reserves to protect them from extinction, at the same time ensuring the safety and security of the people is also necessary. I hope we need to be kind and confiscate towards the wildlife, but surely not at the expense of human life. With this, I remain. As soon as you receive this letter, please drop a letter with your views. Convey my regards to your parents and wishes to your brother. Yours lovingly. Followed by the receiver's address. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel for more videos.